Hey guys, if you have a leaking sunroof on your Ford Explorer, you probably just need to clear your drain lines. It's an easy fix and I'm going to show you how to do it. We had an ice storm, snow ice storm the other day, and we came out to go to the store, and this floor mat was completely full of ice and water, and there's a little bit of ice and water in the driver's side, and the water is coming from here, this is a sunroof version, and this whole panel here was wet and it leaked down and onto here, and this had water in it in here, so there's quite a bit of water coming in. And if you pop this down, I've already dried it up, but this is where the water was dripping. You can see this foam has been wet, but what I learned is this car has the problem with the drains and the sunroof. Okay, so I'm going to show you. Open up the sunroof and I'm going to show you what the problem is. If you pour a bottle of water, or half a bottle, just pour some water into this channel on both sides of this sunroof, and it just stays in here, then your drain lines are plugged. Okay, now the drain lines are, I don't know if you can see, the drain lines are down here, and you need to blow those out with the air line. So if you get your air gun down in there, so that hole right there is your drain line. You need to blow it out. So if you pour some water in your channel and it stays there, then your drains are plugged. It should drain out and come out down here, both sides, driver and passenger. Driver side, alright, so that's fixed. Hey guys, if y'all have a Ford Explorer XLT like this one, you're probably working on it a lot because it's a piece of crap. You probably should just sell the car